long time for construction of buildings and bridges, three main types of concretes are used: PCC, RCC and PSC. That is plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete and pre-stressed concrete. Concrete is very strong in compression and works well when used as a vertical column, whereas when we use it horizontally as a slab or beam, concrete can typically span for only short distances. If we try to increase its length, it begins to crack and fail, hence we have to increase its thickness. But when we try to use PCC for longer horizontal spans in buildings and bridges, its size and weight becomes too large and impractical. To tackle this problem, we added metal reinforcing bars in a concrete to achieve greater length. As a result, reinforced cement concrete became an important structural material for bridge construction. Even reinforced concrete has a limited capacity to span distances before cracking and failing under stress. Hence, a new system of concrete is experimented for treating concrete to increase the span length even further with less weight. The system is known as pre-stressed concrete. To understand pre-stressing, look at this concrete member. When load is applied, the member bends like this. You can see here, the compression develops at top portion and tension develops at bottom portion. And due to this elongation at bottom, concrete gets cracks. To prevent this cracking, additional steel bars are added at the bottom section and stretched it so that it can resist most of the tension. Pre-stressed concrete beam is thinner, lighter in weight, and uses less concrete without cracking or breaking. I have already made a detailed video on pre-stressing of concrete. You can watch it from the link given in the description of this video. Pre-stressing can be done in two ways. One is pre-tensioning and another is post-tensioning. So in this video, we will discuss the differences between these two methods. So let us start. Concept. In case of pre-tensioning, the pre-stressing cables, also called as strands, are tensioned before casting the concrete. Later, concrete is casted, enclosing the tensioned cables. So in this method, we can say first tensioning and then casting. Whereas in case of post-tensioning, the strands are enclosed within a duct and then concrete is casted. The process of tensioning the strands is carried out after the concrete attains its sufficient strength. So in this method, we can say first casting and then tensioning. Where it can be done? Mostly pre-tensioning is done in factories, hence it is suitable for precast construction works. Whereas post-tensioning can be done in factories as well as on site. Size limitations. In case of pre-tensioning, the size of the sections is limited due to transportation restrictions and also due to availability of cranes capable of lifting the sections into place. Whereas in case of post-tensioning, the size of the member is not restricted. Long span bridges can be constructed with the help of this method. Members. In case of pre-tensioning, similar pre-stressed members are prepared in a factory. If a size variation happens, then we have to manufacture a separate mold of that size. Whereas post-tensioning can be done at site, hence products are changed according to a structure. Suitability. Pre-tensioning is preferred when the structural element is small and easy to transport, whereas post-tensioning is preferred when the structural element is heavy. Durability. Pre-tensioning is more reliable and durable as compared to post-tensioning. Whereas in case of post-tensioning, the durability depends upon the two anchorage mechanisms. Loss in pre-stress. While tensioning the cable gets contracted due to several causes which affects the reduction in pre-stress. This reduction in pre-stressing force is called as loss in pre-stress. In case of pre-tensioning, the loss of pre-stressing is not more than 15%. Cost. Pre-tensioning is cheaper because the cost of sheathing is not involved in this method, whereas post-tensioning is costlier because of use of sheathing. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.